SEP IRA stands for Simplified Employee Pension Plan. And the Simplified Employee Pension, very simply, is an IRA specifically designed for small business owners. These are excellent vehicles because they allow very, very high contributions. So if you have a successful business that's earning something over $50,000 a year, a SEP IRA is going to give you the opportunity to make larger contributions to your IRA. Now, we do want to caution you, if you have a SEP IRA, that you have to treat all your employees the same way. So if you are making contributions for yourself in a SEP IRA, you will have to make a contribution at the same percentage level for each employee. So if you are a person who has no employees, a SEP IRA is wonderful. If you have one employee, well, okay. Maybe if you have 10, 15 employees, it's not so good.